Before we get started, subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to run your remote business. You've asked this common question. What are the advantages of an LLC? An LLC is one of the most popular business entity types that will help better protect yourself, especially when your startup has a high failure risk. The first advantage is legal protection. Compared to a sole proprietorship or partnership, an LLC will protect your personal assets and shield you from being personally responsible for the LLC's debts and lawsuits. You'll want that extra layer of protection, especially when you gain more customers and grow your business. Pass-through taxes. An LLC's net income will pass down directly to the individual LLC owners. The individuals then report their share of profit and losses on their individual tax return. This avoids double taxation that exists in corporations. Credibility. An LLC is recognized as more favorable by partners, suppliers, and lenders, and the business name will let your customers take your business more seriously. Simplicity. Compared to corporations, LLCs require less paperwork, formal meetings, roles, and record-keeping procedures. Management. There are no directors or shareholders to maintain. You heard that right. No need to worry about this. Distribution. You're not required to distribute the profits equally based on number and types of shares held. Ownership and profit distribution percentages can be different. Talk about flexibility. So that's why an LLC is overall easy to maintain. Ready to get your LLC started? Learn more.